Any ideas on how to make profit? Easy! Get a cool benefit from faster cash flow with iMonetizeIt. Send paid traffic to iMonetizeIt CPA offers and get payouts 3 times a week. The math is simple. While small advertisers pay once a month, large advertisers pay once a week. But iMonetizeIt is ready to pay up to 3 times a week to increase your profit. For example, there are 2 affiliates who buy traffic in the same ad network. While the first one sends traffic to the advertiser, he can receive only 1 payment per month. At this time, the second affiliate who sends traffic to IME offers can make cash flow 3 times a week. This way, you will definitely increase your income. Let's find out why the economies of scale is more profitable for our partners. No longer need to wait for payment once a month to top up the balance at the ad network. Your current assets really work and manage to make a profit up to 3 times a week instead of once per month. Even a big advertiser with net 7 payment cannot compare to our conditions. Number of payments increases, so profit also increases. Hurry up to send a request to our manager and join the promotion.